Hey guys, it's Monday. Um, I think it'll be the 21st. So let me get my pen going here. Okay, so today we're going to just a review lesson for the quiz tomorrow. Okay, we have a quiz scheduled for tomorrow. It'll be a paper that you'll have to print off and then take a picture and upload to me through Google Classroom. So, anyways, I'll let you know tomorrow specific directions on where to find it and how we're going to get to it. But for now, I just want to review what's going to be on the quiz. So, um, first, and you just want to take some notes here, maybe practice some problems. Okay, this is all you're going to be doing today. There'll be no homework today other than just practicing and reviewing and studying for the quiz tomorrow. So, the top part of the quiz, you're going to have to factor. Okay, just plain old factoring problems. I just put a few of those on there to review. I do know there's some things on there kind of like maybe 9y squared minus 9 that you have to factor completely. So for this problem, we'd pull out the 9. You're left with y squared minus 1, which reveals the difference of perfect squares. So 9 parentheses y minus 1, y plus 1. Right? So make sure you're able to do that. Go back and review that. If you got questions on that, let me know, but you should have plenty of material to review there. Part 2, you're going to have to be able to solve by factoring. Sorry. All right. Solve by factoring. So let's say we've got x squared plus, you know, 13x plus 36, right, equals 0. So we're going to solve this by factoring. You know you got to split the middle term. I think this is split into a 9 and 4. That's what I made it up as. 9x plus 4x equals to 13. 9 times 4 is 36. Everything's positive. So you'll group, do your factoring like normal. Pull out an x, you've got an x plus 9. Pull out a 4, you got an x plus 9. So you get an x plus 9 and an x plus 4. I know this is not the neatest writing. Again, this tablet's a little bit harder. Equals 0. Okay, equals 0. So we're going to try to extend the page a little bit. Solve each factor for 0. Set each factor equal to 0. Plus 9 equals 0. And x plus 4 equals 0. So now we can find the value of the x. X to make this 0 would be negative 9. And x to make this 0, x equals to negative 4. Now, something I do want to show you. Understand that if I want to check this, x squared plus 13x plus 36 equals 0, I can plug in either of these numbers, and this is supposed to be true, so let's try it and see. So negative 9 squared plus 13 times negative 9 plus 36. It's supposed to equal 0 when you do all of this math right here, so let's see how we do. We know this is 81. I've got negative, I think, 117. Got my calculator here. So 9 times 13. How about negative 117? I was right. Plus 36. Right. So 36 plus 81 is going to equal to 117. So this does equal 0 when you add all these together. And we know that we're right. Okay. Also, so we check this one, and it works. We also can check this one. Okay, so let's check that now with a negative 4. Should be a little easier. Negative 4, again, can't stress the importance of using parentheses here. Plus 13 times negative 4 plus 36, supposed to equal 0 if we did it right. So we got 16 plus, that's 52, negative 52 plus 36. And that is 52 here, plus negative 52, make 0. So yeah, this works. So that means that our negative 4 Where are we at? I can't get it to slide down here. Our -4 answer also checked. Okay, so that's factoring. Solved by factoring. Y'all have done that for a while. Last thing we got to do, the thing you need to go back and look at the most, is to graph the quadratic function. You want to use the LOS, the vertex, and the pick a point method. So I'll try to run through one of these really fast if I can get one that's not going to be too bad. Let's say that we got x squared plus, let's do a 6x plus 9, right, equals, it can be equal to y here, right, because it's a function that we're now graphing. So the line of symmetry is going to be -b over 2a. So opposite of b is -6 over 2 times 1 equals -6 over 2, which equals -3, right? So that's our line of symmetry, right? X equals -3. Remember, that's a vertical line. That's the line of symmetry for the parabola. Vertex, you get the vertex by plugging in that line of symmetry number -3 into the equation and solving it for y. So it's -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 9. We do the math here. This is a 9 plus a -18 plus a 9. It looks like we're getting a 0, right? If I did that right. So my vertex is going to be -3, 0. The pick a point, I always like to put in 0 if I can. So for me, I'm going to put in 0 into it. 0 squared. Let me scroll this up a little bit. I don't have any workspace. 0 squared plus 6 times 0 plus 9. Looks like we're going to get 9. So 0 and 9, right? It's going to be the point. So I'm going to graph. I may do this on another sheet of paper. The line of symmetry, -3, 0, 0, 9 to show you the picture. And it's going to be a sketch now, okay? Okay, so here's my -3, 0. So there's the vertex. The line of symmetry would be just a vertical line. That's the middle of the parabola. You go to 0 and 9, the pick a point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. You're going to reflect that dot. So 2, 3 places over here. Approximately with graph paper, this is better. You'll have graph paper on the quiz tomorrow. And then you can see the parabola. I just have trouble drawing it with this pen. Looks something like that. Okay, you remember doing that. It's the last thing we did when we were in school. Okay, so that's a review for the quiz tomorrow. I'll let you know what's on it. Study all of this and just make sure you're good to go. And I'll give you directions tomorrow on where to find the quiz and how to print it off and stuff. Okay.